Good morning, grade 5. How are you today? Today is Tuesday. It is the 14th day of April 2020. Today, inshallah, we will answer the exercises in your language book, page 122. So please open your box, page 122. Let's start. The first exercise is cover the text above. Read these sentences and circle the correct word. So, I will read the blue box to answer the first exercise. James called Katie into his room. He told her to sit down and then he showed her his fantastic machine. He made a banana bigger and a book smaller. Amazing. Katie asked him to do it again. Just then, they heard their mother calling. She told them to come downstairs for dinner. Before they went downstairs, James told Katie not to touch the machine. He also asked her not to tell anyone about his invention. So, let's read the sentences and circle the correct answer. Number 1, James showed Katie his computer or invention. Excellent, it is invention. So number 1 with B. Number 2, he made a banana. What? He made a banana bigger or smaller? Bigger, excellent. So number 2 with A. Number 3, Katie asked him to do it again or 4 more times. Katie asked him to do it what? Katie asked him to do it again. So the correct answer is again. James told Katie not to the machine. To take the machine or to touch the machine? Not to touch. Excellent. He also asked her anyone about his invention. To tell anyone about his invention or not to tell anyone about his invention. It is not to tell. Excellent. So number 5 with B. Exercise number 2. What did James tell Katie to do? Look, James said, come into my room. Change this sentence to reported commands. He told her to come into his room. If he said sit down, James said sit down. Change the sentence. He told her to sit down. Excellent. So, please open your notebooks here. Write the day and the date, the title of our lesson and the page. We will start with exercise 2, sentence 1. Sentence 1 is sit down. So change it to reported command. He told her to sit down. Write with me. Number 2, look at my invention. Look at my invention. Change it. He told her to what? To what? To look. To look at what? To look at his invention. Number 3, put the book in the machine. Put the book in the machine. So, he told her to what? To put what? The book where? In the machine. Number 4, turn the handle. Turn the handle. So, he told her to turn what? To turn what? The handle. This is exercise number 2. Now we will write and answer exercise number 3. What did James tell Katie to not do? To not do. So these sentences are what? Negative. We must use not plus to plus the infinitive verb. The first one is don't touch the machine. When we change it, he told her not to touch the machine. Don't shout. James said don't. James told her what? Okay, I will repeat. So all these sentences are what? Are negative. So we must use not plus to plus the infinitive verb. The first sentence is don't touch the machine, and he told her not to touch the machine. Number 1, don't shout. Let's change it here. He told her not to shout. He told her not to shout. The second one is don't tell anyone. Don't tell anyone. So he told her what? Not to tell anyone. So this is number 2 and this is number 1. He told her not to tell anyone. Not to tell anyone. The third one is don't go near the spider. Don't go near the spider. So he told her what? Not to, and the verb is go. Go where? Near the spider. Near the spider. The last one is don't worry. Don't worry. So he told her not to what? Worry. Not to worry. This is the exercises in your language book, page 122. Page 122. Now, let's move to your practice book, page 115. So please open your notebook, practice book, page 115. Open your what? Practice book, page 115. Exercise number 1. What did James tell Katie to do? Tell Katie to do. So, all of these sentences are what? Are affirmative. So, we use to plus the infinitive verb. We use to plus the infinitive verb. Number 1, look. Keep quiet. Keep quiet. He told her to keep quiet. Number 2, watch carefully. Watch carefully. So, he told her what? To watch what? Carefully. Number 3, look at the machine. So, he told her to look at the machine. Number 3, be careful. Be careful. So, he told her to what? To be what? Careful. Careful. Close the door. Close the door. So, he told her what? To close the door. Exercise number 2. What did Katie tell James not to do? Not. So, don't. All of these sentences are negative. Okay, in the negative we use not plus to plus the infinitive verb. Okay, please teacher, write this rule above the question. Look, don't move. This answer is wrong. This answer is wrong. How we can correct it? Don't move. She told him to move. طب he said what? Don't move, not move. So we must use or add not here. So this example is wrong. Please correct it. She told him not. We said we must use not plus to plus the infinitive verb, not to move. Please correct it. Write not between him and to. So the sentence is she told him not to move. Number 2, don't be silly. Don't be silly. So she told him what? Not to be is the verb, silly. Number 3, don't tell mom. Don't tell mom. So she told him not to tell is the verb, not to tell what? Mom. not to tell mom. Don't talk so loudly. Don't talk so loudly. So she told him not to, and the verb here is talk. Talk. Talk what? So loudly. Not to talk so loudly. Don't touch anything. Don't touch anything. So she told him not to touch anything. Exercise number 3. Complete the sentences using told or asked. Complete the sentences using told or asked. Sit down, please. So we must use told or choose told or asked. Told if it is command or order. Asked if we have please. The first one, sit down, please. Everyone, sit down, please. Everyone. So here we have please. So we use asked. Please, we use asked. Number 2, go away. Go away. We have please? No. So it is what? It is a command and we must use told. Excellent. So he told me to go away. Number 3, please don't be angry. Please. So it is a request, and what we use if we have please? We use asked. Asked. So they asked him not to be angry. So they asked him not to be angry. Stand up. Stand up. There is no please. So it is a command. What we use with the command? Told. So she told the class to stand up. She told the class to stand up. The last one, come here please. Come here please. Here we have please. And if we have please, so we use asked. So I asked you to come here. I asked you to come here. This is our lesson today. So please, teacher, write the answers on your language book and your practice book and send me your answers to check. Thank you so much. I miss you, grade 5.